Shalom, shalom, everyone. I've got something here I want to try. It is called Carrington Farms Mustard Seed Cooking Oil. And it's cold pressed, non-GMO. And actually, I've heard of it. I've heard of mustard seed oil, but didn't know people cooked with it. So I saw it on Walmart.com and thought, well, I'll try it. Now, of course, like any other oil, there's no carbohydrates or anything, and it doesn't give you any nutritional value. I am going to cook 2 eggs for my breakfast with this. Now, there it is, so you can see the color is quite pretty. I'm going to fry me 2 eggs in this oil, and I'm going to put some on that tired old lettuce back there, and I'm also going to put some... I have a little bit of a roast left, and I'm going to put some on that little bit of a roast that I've got and see how it tastes there. So, let me get these eggs, the oil in the pan and the eggs cracked, and we'll see what happens next. So, I guess I'll just fry my eggs like I normally do, but just use this oil. So, I think that oil is good and hot. Well, maybe not. But anyway, normally I put salt and pepper on my eggs, or at least pepper, and I guess I won't this time. I'll bring you back when these are done. I'm going to try to make them kind of over easy-ish, so you won't sit there and watch me fry eggs. I'll bring you right back. So here they are. They have no salt, no pepper, just that oil that I fried them in. So, let's see how they taste. Still hot. To be truthful, I can't tell they're fried in mustard oil. Try again. I'm sorry, I can't taste it. Let me pour a little bit of this oil on there. Try getting a bigger dose of it. There, I got a nice big dose of it there. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't taste it. So let's go to the next thing. Let's try it on some that tired old lettuce and that leftover cold roast. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got it down there. We'll just dip some of that in there. I can definitely taste it there. That is good. Oh, that would be good on a sandwich. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Definitely good on a sandwich. Oh, yeah. That was nice. Now, I've got it poured on the lettuce here. I don't have any oil on the lettuce. I just have the mustard oil on the lettuce, so let's taste that. I'm going to use my fingers instead of using my fork. Very good. I'm disappointed in the eggs. Really disappointed in the eggs because I I couldn't tell my eggs were fried in it, but it is very good on that lettuce. Oh, it adds a nice slight bite to the end. And the same with this cold roast. In fact, let's pour a little bit more on there. Boy, that was good. This is my breakfast, y'all, so let me get that nice and dipped. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, the meat taste doesn't overpower the mustard seed taste, but there's less of a hint of the mustard seed taste with the meat than there is with the lettuce, because of course lettuce is a little bit more delicate. I'm not even going to put any oil, regular, what do you call it? Olive oil on the salad. I'm just going to eat it like that. So let me put my breakfast together here with my toast. That's Molly playing with her bone. She's got a great big old knuckle bone back there. She's sliding across the kitchen floor. So let me get my breakfast all set up here, and I'll bring you back. So here's my breakfast. I got my homemade bread. I got that leftover cold roast, and all that you see down there, that's that oil. And I got my eggs and my tired old lettuce. So, consensus is, for meat on a sandwich, I bet this would be fabulous. For salad, great. For eggs, not so good. But this, now, I don't remember how much I paid for it. This is not a paid promotion. I just found it and decided I wanted to try it. But this is good. I don't know if I would buy it all the time, but I certainly think I will buy it again. Carrington Farms mustard seed cooking oil. Great for meat, great for salad, not so much on eggs. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Whatever you do, just watch the video. Shalom, shalom. Bye-bye.